So do you want to learn how to build a beehive? This is part number 1 of a 4 video series that I'm going to be showing you guys how to build your own beehive. Keep watching. Hey guys, this is John from Griebenouw Bee Farming. I hope you all well. Have a look at this video. I will show you guys how to build a bottom board of a beehive. So you love beekeeping, then go and subscribe to my channel. Remember to hit the bell and all notifications so that when I upload a video, you will be the first to see it.
Okay guys, so what you will be doing is you will be cutting 2 pieces of 560 millimeters by 50 millimeters by 20 millimeters. That will be your side pieces, and as you can see on the top measurement, you will then also cut 2 pieces of 373 millimeters wide. One will be times 50 times 20 millimeters, the other one will be 30 times 20 millimeters. That will be basically your back side of the board and also your hive entrance basically off the board. You will see the total measurements. Adding the wood on both sides will make then 413 millimeters. From the back to the front, it will be 505 millimeters including the wood. So what I actually cut is it's 560 millimeters by 393 millimeters, which is my board that I actually use, and you can actually just use outer ply or shutter ply wood I normally use 9 millimeters thick.
So guys, I hope this video helped you a lot. If you liked it, remember to subscribe. The button should be around somewhere here. And also go like it, comment below, let me know what you think. Hope to see you guys soon. Goodbye.